present here. I, Nirjari Patel, welcome you all to the School of Emotions, where we are going to explore the intricate world of emotions through Shringar and Adbhut Ras. Scene 1. In the staff room. The teacher sits on a chair, glancing through some papers as Meera enters, looking nervous.
Yes, Meera, please come in.
Yes, ma'am. Did you call me?
Yes, Meera, please sit down. How are you doing, Meera?
I'm doing fine, ma'am.
Actually, Meera, I wanted to talk to you about something. I noticed in class that you're being somewhat lost and seem very quiet lately. Is everything all right, my dear?
Yes, ma'am. It's nothing. I'm just trying to adjust.
You can tell me, Meera. I'm here to help you.
It's difficult, ma'am. My classmates laugh at me, my accent, the food I eat, the way I look. I miss my home in Kerala. Everything feels so different here.
I can see how that would make you feel out of place. So, let's discuss this in class tomorrow. I think it's time for everyone to learn this.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Scene 2. In the classroom. The next day in class, the students are chatting with each other as Meera enters.
Hey, look, here is a special friend Meera.
Yes, guys, look at the odd one out.
Just look at her. She is so different. Her skin, her style.
Yes, and what's that on her forehead? Something like a tilak.
Yes, you know, she smells like a coconut with so much oil in her hair, as well as in the food she brings.
Yes, I talked to her yesterday. Her accent was too different and difficult to understand.
Later in class, the teacher stands before the students who looks curious.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let's sit down, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey Nitya, what ma'am will teach us today?
Don't know, but look, she's writing something on the board.
Emotions?
So, class, today in our value education period, we are going to learn something new called emotions.
Emotions, ma'am? What does it mean?
Does anyone know what emotions are? Yes, Maya?
Yes, ma'am. Emotions help us in building better relationships, developing empathy, improving mental well-being, and making responsible decisions.
Very true, Maya. Emotions are part of human nature. And the first emotion we are going to learn today is called Shringar Ras. Does anyone know what Shringar Ras is? Yes, Maya?
Yes, ma'am. Shringar Ras is about love and romance. Did I say anything wrong, ma'am?
No, Maya. But Shringar Ras is something beyond that. It's about appreciating beauty in other people, in their culture, and even their differences. So, how many of you have heard about God's own country, Kerala? Yes, Maya?
I've heard of it, ma'am. But what is called God's own country? Is it like God resides there?
Good question, Maya. Kerala is known for its breathtaking landscapes, backwater, rich traditions, and lush green hills. But its true beauty lies in its people and their culture. Aren't you amazed by its beauty?
Yes, ma'am. It's wonderful. I visited Kerala last year and I was amazed to see its breathtaking beauty.
Yes, ma'am. I too visited Kerala this year during my summer vacation with my family. It's a beautiful place. There are boat houses as well as there are boat races. I found both of them to be very amazing as well as exciting.
Yes, Krisha. Do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Are you aware that people over there eat paisam made up of milk, jaggery and rice? They mostly eat it during the festival of Onam. It is so delicious. I just loved it once I tried it.
Ma'am, even the food there is so good, like idlis, dosas, rasam. They are so delicious. I just love to have it.
Ma'am, eating so rich. I have read somewhere that an Indian classical dance known as Kathakali was originated from Kerala only.
Very true, Manasvi. Yes, Angel, do you want to add something?
Yes, ma'am. I was surprised when I got to know that the literacy rate of Kerala is the highest in our country. A renowned Hindu philosopher, Sri Adi Shankaracharya, belongs from Kerala only. He is well known for his Advait Vedant, School of Philosophy, the four muds located in four corners of India.
Ma'am, a boat race in Kerala called Valamakali features hundreds of men rowing snake boat in unison singing the boat song.
Ma'am, the Sri Padmanabha Swami temple in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala is considered one of the wealthiest temple in the world, which dates back up to 8th century.
Very good, everyone. I appreciate you all for already knowing so much about Kerala.
The students listen intently, beginning to appreciate Kerala through the teacher's words.
You see, class, when you laugh at someone for being different, it's whether because of their accent, the food they eat, or how they look, you miss the beauty of who they truly are. Meera, your new classmate, comes from this beautiful land of Kerala. Just like each of you have your own unique stories and culture, so does she. That's what Shringara teaches us. Now do you understand, my dear students? Yes, Rohan?
Yes, ma'am. I never thought about it that way. I guess I was just being very mean to Meera.
Ma'am, I agree with Rogan. Now I realize that everyone has their own unique culture and we all should respect it.
Yes, ma'am. I too feel sorry for Meera. We were so rude towards her and disrespected her culture.
Yes, ma'am. I too feel guilty that I make fun of her accent.
I realized it was very wrong of me making fun of her cultural identity. Sorry, Meera.
Yes, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am. I too feel very sorry for my Meera. I have too root for her.
Yes, Manasvi?
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us about the emotion Shringara Ras. I must say, Kerala is a very beautiful place.
Meera looks touched as the students start to reflect on their behavior.
It's never too late to learn, my dear student. So next time, when you see something different, remember Shringara Ras and find the beauty in it. Meera, we are glad to have in our classroom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Rohan?
Sure, ma'am. We will now be good friends. And my apologies to Meera for treating her harshly.
Students, along with Shringara Ras, another emotion which we learned today in our class. Can someone tell me what is it?
Ma'am, is it amazement?
Or is it appreciation?
Yes, my dear students. It's also known as Adbhuta Ras or wonderful. Alright class, let's start our day by celebrating our differences. We are all unique and that's what makes our classroom beautiful. And Meera, what about you? How are you feeling right now?
Yes, ma'am. I am feeling delightful to see that how my classmates are appreciating my state and my culture.
The scene ends with students chatting excitedly with Meera, eager to learn more about each other and their diverse culture. This scene showcases Shringara Ras through the appreciation of cultural diversity, while the teacher encourages the students to embrace and understand the beauty in each other's differences, fostering a positive and inclusive classroom environment. Thank you, everyone.